All right. So this is my application right now, and you can see I have the controllers. In the controllers, I have various functions to get all contact, get single one, to create a contact, to update a contact, and to delete a contact. And in here in the route, you can see this is a slash user, and basically have to get to create a new one, to get a single one, to update and to delete. And I have my env file also right here with the git ignore that have this included, and my swagger.json that have description of my API. So I'm already running this locally, but I also have it live also on render. And this is the local host one, which you can get. You can try that, and then you execute, and then it still gets it, since it gets it directly from the database, the live one. And this is the live application right now. So this is it. From the end point of users, you can get all the users, right? So you just execute. This one doesn't need a parameter, and then it gets all users basically, right? It gets every user right now, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 users right now. And if you want to get it by ID like this, and if I can get the ID, then close this, get by ID, and I paste the ID right here, execute, and then it gets me on Identify, right? And which is beautiful. So let's say I want to create a new ID. I mean a new user, right? A contact. I can cancel this. I try it out again. I can do John Doe or Martha Smith. Martha at gmail.com. A color will be red, and then we'll leave the year exactly as it is. We execute this, it gets added into the database. We get all users, we execute, and we see that her name has been added, Martha. So if we want to change the first name right here, we can get the ID, I close here. We've tried to create new one. Get the ID, I come over here, I paste it. From Martha to Elizabeth Smith, then probably a list, and then we can do this as yellow, and we still leave the birth year, and then we execute. It's done, and when we get to fetch all data, we see that the name will change from Martha to Elizabeth. As you can see, it's no longer um Martha but Elizabeth, and we can also delete. So we still have the ID. We try this one out, we paste the ID, and then we execute, and then it deletes it immediately. And what happens if I try to get all the users? What happens? It's not included right here. So this is the whole application of it. And what next? Next is yes, I hosted this on render. So this is the link right here, and this is what we are using. This is the endpoint right now. Apart from that, the database, yes, you can see my database. I'm having the contact right here and all the data right now. For security, yes, and it has all these fields actually. So object name, string, last name, email, favorite, color, and birth date. And then security, everything is here in the .env file. And the architecture, you can see it has the controllers, we have the route, and every other thing. So I can end this